You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this Portuguese poet. If you want to learn more confusing names from the history of literature and especially Portugal, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Portuguese pronunciation, Luís de Camões. Luís de Camões. In English, the pronunciation would be similarly as Luís de Camões. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.